Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, which is a desk tour, and I'm just gonna go through everything on my desk and I'm gonna show you everything in detail and talk about it all. So let's get into it. So let's start at the top of my desk, which just has some mouse and like a little panda character, I don't know. And then below that is my tape section and plus a stapler, and then this random bag of SD cards and just like computer things I kind of use for my filming, you know, keeping extra space. And then a lot of washi tape. Yes, I do have a quite large collection. They're from all over the place, like Japan, like little shops in my city, everywhere basically. Next, below this is like my stapler and hole puncher section. So we just got like a basic stapler, a 2-hole puncher, this little toggle which I use for my MacBook, and then we got a pocket printer paper, and then a pocket printer below that from Faux Memo, and then some earbuds. Below that, we have a bunch of flashcards I don't really use anymore because I use Anki now, which is much better. Some white markers and pencils. These are all my pencils that I have. Some rulers, glue, scissors, you know, that type of thing. And then my calculators I use for like math, chemistry, you know, some paper clips, and then like just a bunch of random stuff here I don't really know. And then these are a bunch of pens that I don't really use and I don't know really what I'm gonna do with them. Here is my iPad, which I keep on the side with its Apple Pencil, nothing too fancy. And then below here is my paper section, so I just keep all these different types of paper. I do have a lot of paper, mostly it's from Muji or Kokuyo campus paper. Then here are some flashcards from when I used to use flashcards, but now I use Anki as I mentioned. And then just some magnets I use to hang up posters and like random things on my desk, which I'll be showing you afterwards. Next here are my pencil cases. I have a few of them. And then these are all the empty pen refills. I do use a lot of pens and I do feel bad throwing them out, so I just keep them here. And then this drawer is like my nail polish drawer, and it's my temporary stationery housing for now. This is all the stationery for the giveaway. I just had nowhere to put it, and you can still enter it now. I think it's like gonna end tomorrow, or I might extend it, I don't really know. And then just a bunch of stationery. And then on the bottom is just like a temporary space for paper. It's just really where I throw random stuff. It has no purpose, and it's just a bunch of random notebooks that I've used up, and it's not really organized. I tried organizing for this, but like kinda didn't turn out well. And then here on the bottom is my Google Home speaker. So on the top of my desk I have a water bottle, and then I have my timetable and calendar, and then my MacBook computer, and then on this side I have my posters I printed out, and then this nice little sticker I got from AliExpress. So on the top we just have a bunch of unused notebooks. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them yet. To the side of it is my microphone I am currently using to record these voiceovers. It was super cheap. And then here's my graduation teddy bear, a calligraphy set, and this random house I don't really know. This is like my sticky note and stickers drawer. I just have like sticker rolls. These ones are from Disneyland, which are really nice. And then I have a bunch of sticker sheets here I'm planning on using up, mostly in my journal and like other places. And then here are just sticky notes. Majority of them I got from AliExpress. I think I got like most of these for like under $5, the entire collection. And then I have some unused erasers right here. This one's a really cool one as it's like geometric and all. And then this one is just like kind of a cheap one. It was really affordable. And then on the bottom here we have like my passport notebook, which has like all my passwords and stuff. This is my journal. It's getting pretty thick. And then my dream diary, which I sometimes use only if I have like a dire dream. On the bottom we have my Crayola Super Tips with the Tombows 2 and some other brush pens. I just keep it in this chocolate container box as it fits perfectly. For my stationery, we had some Ecoline brush pens and then some Muji pens with some other Pentel brush pens. On the bottom here are my black pens and then some window highlighters. Below that, I have my collection of fine liners and then some black brush pens and my white pens and metallic pens. And then below we have my Pilot Juice and my Zebra Sarasa, my Zebra Mild Liners, and then my Zebra Mild Liner brush pens plus some extra Zebra Mild Liners that didn't fit in the above. And then lastly, my Zebra Sarasa, which are my favorite pens. So to the side of that, we have my lamp. This is from BenQ. They sent it to me. It's pretty good. I use it all the time. And then we have a bunch of notebooks that I still use, so that's why I keep it on the side here. And then it's just mostly biology and chemistry, and it's just a lot. I haven't got time to organize it. And then a computer case. And then this is my gooseneck thing. It's like a tripod. I used to use it to film, but now I use a different camera. And then my printer that I use to like print out stuff, you know, pretty basic things, you know, a printer would do. This is my cell phone, and then this is a Fitbit. It's not an Apple Watch because I don't have an iPhone. Here is it's just a storage bin for my teddy bears, and then on the bottom we have like my master storage for all my old school stuff that I don't want to throw out. This is a gift for my friend, so I just kept it in here until I give it to her. And then just some notebooks that I have used up or like partially used, and another gift for my other friend, and just more paper and old notes, which I definitely need to organize, but I haven't got around to. So thank you so much for watching my desk tour.